Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen gummy bears with Dr. Pepper. Start by selecting small gummy bears and a chilled can of Dr. Pepper, then set a flat tray with parchment paper. Pour just enough Dr. Pepper to barely cover each gummy bear so they soak evenly. Freeze for several hours, checking texture after 3 hours. Thaw briefly before serving so the centers remain chewy while the outside turns refreshingly icy and fizzy. Warm hello, let's walk through the simple prep steps in a friendly kitchen tone. First, chill a can of Dr. Pepper and choose small gummy bears for faster infusion. Line a flat tray with parchment or use a shallow silicone mold to keep pieces separate. Pat each gummy briefly if they feel sticky to help soda absorption. Pour carefully so each candy is lightly covered, then place the tray flat in the freezer. Here are warm, practical tips to get the texture just right for TTS pacing. Freeze the tray flat and avoid opening the freezer frequently to keep the soda infusion consistent. Check the gummies after 3 hours. If they are too hard, thaw briefly until centers feel chewy. If too soft, return to freeze in 30-minute increments. Once perfect, transfer to an airtight container to protect flavor and maintain the fizzy-icy contrast for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.